I have a KitchenAid gas range Model KGRS505X. It works fine, but I have a technical question. The power often goes out in my neighborhood, don't even go there, and I got a gas range so I could cook no matter if the power was on or off. The gas cooktop I replaced with the range allowed me to light the burners with a match when the power was off and the igniters could not work. How do I do this on this model? I'm asking how to defeat the electronic shutoff valve, I guess. If there is no way to do this, I'll have to get something else.
Hello, and thank you for using this service. I'll be helping you with your problem today. There is absolutely no way to bypass the oven gas safety valve. Modern ovens have safety features to ensure that ovens are lit all the time when the oven is on, and they are controlled by control boards, so there is no way to bypass this feature. If you're looking for an oven that will work when the power is out, you'd need a traditional pilot ignition oven. That being said, you can still use the cooktop with this KitchenAid unit, but just not the oven. Please remember that when you are asked to give a rating, you are rating my service and not this website itself or the problem of your appliance.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.